Greetings and welcome back to Drew's office. When we use the if error function, usually it's because we want to check the value inside of a cell to see if it contains an error, such as hash null or hash NA. Let's have a quick look at our VLOOKUP formula. We're just looking for this ID number inside the table array, and if VLOOKUP finds a match, it'll return the item from column number 4. And false means we're looking for an exact match only. And when we autofill down, all is well. But if VLOOKUP cannot find the ID number, we should expect an error message. And if we want to replace the hash NA error with one of our own, we need the if error function. And the if error function only has 2 arguments. The value, which is the formula that needs evaluating. Value if error is the text that we want displayed instead of the error message. Excel best practice is to correct the formula on the first cell, and then we can re-autofill down afterward. Start with the if error. The value is the entire VLOOKUP formula. And when we type a comma, we're back inside the if error function. The value if error, we need to wrap it in quotation marks. Close our brackets. Re-autofill. With the isError function, there's only one argument. Tell me which formula to evaluate. And if the result is an error, then it's true. If not, then it's false. A really good use for the isError function is inside of a conditional format. Select all of our data, create a new rule using a formula. The conditional format would apply this formula to all the cells that we selected. So isError only needs to know the first cell in the range. And if you want to learn more about common error messages in Microsoft Excel, you need to check out the next video.